Well, it's official. Uber drivers are quitting left and right. We have a Facebook group with over 18,000 members, and every single day, 10, 20, 30 drivers saying how they're quitting, how they hate Uber. I want to hear from you. Are you quitting? We're going over this today. This is breaking news about what Uber just did. So please thumbs up the video. Also, if you're ever hurting for cash, we have a sponsor now, Current, that pays Uber and Lyft drivers up to 2 days faster. There's no fees on overdraft when you go negative $200. And as you can see here, I put in $100 just to try it out, and they're paying 4% interest annually. So it's really, really high, and you get cash back every single time you fill up gas, which is great. Click it right here. You see all the offers to make money when you fill up gasoline. And let's get started. So we have some really upsetting news, and honestly, I'm really frustrated. But Uber has cut the gas fuel surcharge for delivery orders. So if you're driving for Uber right now, I mean, it's just mind-blowing. Like, gas prices are through the roof. Uber they're what, billion-dollar company. And they decide that if you're doing an Uber Eats order, you don't get that gas fuel surcharge anymore. And I'm assuming they're gonna end it for rideshare rides too. And it's like, drivers are hurting. Drivers need that money. And when you drive for Uber, most drivers, they drive Uber and they do Uber Eats like orders. Like, you do a ride, and what, are you gonna wait 20 minutes for your next ride? No, you're gonna go do Uber Eats, or you drive the morning shift. Everyone's going to work, and then during lunch you do Uber Eats. And so now it's forcing drivers to make a decision. Should you stay with Uber with less pay, or go work at In-N-Out, where they're paying you $17.50 an hour? People are getting their CDL licenses too. A lot of people are in my Facebook, I've seen that crazy, because a lot of truck drivers are making over $100,000 a year. And the companies are providing the trucks. And if you have 2 years experience, you can go work at Walmart, and they're paying like 150 grand a year to be a truck driver. And people, I mean, I've started watching these truck driver videos. They just listen to podcasts for like 8 hours a day. They're fine. And they even have beds in the trucks, and a lot of people are just sleeping in the trucks. So they don't have to pay for rent anymore. And or they have like a little apartment, because they're only there like not that often, so they don't need a house, so they're saving tons of money. Or they have roommates, because it's like, it's a whole lifestyle. But I mean, people are like really fed up with Uber. So anyways, I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think about Uber cutting the fuel surcharge rate on Eats orders? And I don't know, it's just really upsetting. So I love Uber. I mean, I wouldn't say I love Uber, but I love the gig economy. I love being able to do different apps, and I think it is such a unique experience. But yeah, anyways, rant over. Just want to make this quick video. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And yeah, sign up for Play Octopus if you'd like to start earning extra income. They just got bought out by T-Mobile, so they're super legit. They're expanding nationwide. I have a tablet right here, you can see. Start making some extra income as a driver, because God knows we need it right now. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.